had no experience doing trail work at all. I mean, like, I got in here and I was like fresh out of high school. I had no idea what I was doing. Physically, trail work, it's very demanding, but it prepares you for a lot.
The 6 days of 10-hour shifts.
Working hard, you know, getting at it, trying to make the trail a little safer for people and stuff. I love being out here every day. We're in Calistoga right now. Quickly bumping in here and we're doing quick trail maintenance.
We try to remove a lot of brush, which is just like these tall plants.
A lot of it is poison oak. We're actually like knee deep in poison oak most of the time.
We don't go out of our way to get rid of like all the poison oak, but we're definitely trying to get rid of a good portion of it anywhere near the trail.
A lot of the work that we're doing is a lot of lopping, hedging.
We're also basically stashing the brush.
So when you stash, you actually have to stash it away from the public eye. So a lot of the times we have to go a little bit deeper than where the basic eye can look. It usually involves like, you know, hurdling some trees, you know, trying to weave through like branches and stuff.
The purpose is to make sure that the hikers have a completely clear path.
Just clear up some of the trails.
Free from any obstacles.
I know a lot of the community likes to come here and backpack. And it's not just backpackers and hikers coming up here, it happens to also be families. And so I would hate for them to be like running through this and not having a clue in the world. I was told by a fellow Corps member to take pride in my work. And when I come out here to the trails, I'm usually thinking about that. Loving the process, taking pride in my work and the kind of effect it has on the people around me and, you know, my coworkers and the community here.
Just have this sense of camaraderie.
Everywhere we try to go, we try at least do some good, you know. It's better to leave the place better than how you found it.